What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. So we're at the mall, and it's the All-Star Weekend, you guys. It's All-Star Weekend Friday, so yeah, let's go see what they got at the mall, you guys. See what they got at the mall. Probably not the best deals, but at least we can see what new releases they got. We are at the Northridge Mall in the San Fernando Valley. Yeah, they do have a Foot Locker. They got a Finish Line. They got a Champs. They got a Shoe Palace. We'll be able to check out all of them, see what they got. First stop is Foot Locker. See if they got anything new. We're in the Nike and Jordan section, you guys. Don't really see anything new. Don't really see anything new. I haven't seen these, to be really honest with you. I have not seen these. I really did want these PG4 plaids. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Obviously, this is going for retail because this is a regular Foot Locker, and these just came out a week ago. But let me know what you guys think about these, man. I don't know. I got the Gatorades at home, but I haven't really messed with these. They're alright, but I'm okay with these, you guys. Like I'm okay not having them because nothing really sticks out. Like the Gatorade, I really like the fact that the orange laces pop out and stuff. But these are cool, but nothing like super special. Nothing super special. What do you guys think about these? What do you guys think about the I don't know what colorway this is. Just black? Oh, rocket gray or something. I don't know. I don't remember the colorway, but I don't know. I'm good with these. I'm so happy with the ones that I got. I ended up getting the Gatorade colorway, and I think that's my favorite one. I forgot the name of these. These are the aqua animal print. But yeah, these are alright. These are alright. They do have some leather on here in the back and stuff. Usually this in the preheat colorway, you know, this material right here is definitely different. But yeah, it doesn't have that iridescent or that, I forgot what it's called, where the thing where the portion where the image changes into a different image. It definitely doesn't have that, like the preheat. I guess I'm used to the preheat Los Angeles ones, but these are alright. I'm definitely not a huge fan of the animal print. I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of the color too, but I can understand why people like these, but I'm pretty good with those. Dude got the infrared. They look alright. We saw one of these at the outlets. We've only seen one. Pretty much all the other ones we definitely have seen, but yeah, I'm just looking around. Thank you. Yeah, so we have seen the rest of these, but yeah, the infrared's probably one of the few that we haven't seen too many at the outlets. The black satins. They're probably one of the newer sneakers here. One of the new Jordan ones. I haven't really seen these either. This is a materials kind of whatever on these. And the Nike sign is a patent leather. The rest of it's kind of a synthetic leather. It looks like right here. That's a synthetic nubuck. This might be leather, regular buck leather, but I don't know. Nothing really fantastic. They do got some lows. I've never really seen these. These are pretty dope. Pretty dope. Oh, nice. I like the different colors. That's pretty dope. Going for 90 bucks. Not too bad. Those are pretty cheap. Not too bad at all. These going for 90 as well. Oh, okay. Okay. I don't know what colorway it is, but that's pretty dope. Pretty dope. Going for 90 bucks. We're in the women's section. What you guys think about this? Hey, this is something different for Fila. Good for them for doing something different instead of just releasing the same old. Interesting. How much? They go for 100 bucks. Seems a little pricey. All right, I am going around just looking for sneakers that I haven't seen before, especially at the outlets, and these are pretty dope. These are pretty dope. Obviously, they have a Nike Day sneakers, but yeah, I kind of like the tags out there. The colors, the different colors, going for $160. Not bad, not bad. If you're gonna get something, you know, for retail, you might as well get something that you haven't seen at the outlets. That's dope. That's a pretty solid deal. I think we saw these for hella cheap, but yeah, $60 out, not bad. Do got a couple of Vapor Max for pretty good too, because those are $90 off. They got a pretty good discount. I really like this colorway. That's not bad. That's pretty much about it with the new stuff. Let's go look around, you guys. Go look around. Not having much luck here, you guys. Not having much luck. The Champs, I did stop by the Champs, and they did have the UNC, the women's UNC, the black UNC to Chicago, but yeah, they did raffle those out, so they were all gone. So yeah, let's see what they got here, you guys. See what they got here. Some super. Not really much in the Jordan section. You know, we've seen these on sale quite a few times, going for $1.50. The Jordan 13, the crocodiles or the mint green. We also see these on sale. These have been on sale at quite a few places. The denim sixes. So not much of a surprise. We've also seen these for cheaper. We'll see if Shoe Palace still has them too, because they were going for $129 over there. But yeah, no other deals and nothing really new here, you guys. Nothing really. It looks like these are the only ones, you guys. Only new pair of sneakers here. Only new All-Star releases. He said they do have the PG. They do have the Jordan 34s as well, the Zion Williams colorway. But yeah, these are. I don't know. I do like them, but I don't know. I wonder if they're a little bit too orange. A little bit too orange, you guys. The yellow too. Like, I do love the Gatorade collab. I do love all that Gatorade stuff. Yeah, pretty dope. Pretty dope. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think. And let me know if you guys are gonna cop these. We have seen these dames here and there. I think we've also seen them on sale, haven't we? But yeah, these are pretty dope. It says Ruthless on the inside. Has a totally different look on the outside. Yeah, something new. At least Adidas is doing something new, you guys. Got the Donovan Mitchells. These are freaking huge. We've seen these at the outlet for hella cheap. We've seen these for like $65, I believe. So yeah, but not terrible. You know, that is a pretty good price to those of you guys that do like it. Got the KDs. These are always on sale. I swear they're on sale everywhere, man. I don't know if they're not selling or if they made too many. I don't know what it is. We are in the Air Max section. I really hope I find these at the outlets because they're on sale here. These are called, I believe, the newspaper Air Max 97s. Yeah, pretty dope, dude. Pretty dope. Does have newspaper print all over it. I'm seeing if there's any articles regarding Nike or any sneaker stuff, but really dope, really dope. Something totally different from the from just every other Air Max 97. Really dope, you guys. Really dope. $130, $30 off. I do need a bigger discount though, man, because I'm cheap. That's a pretty good discount. $60 off. $60 off. Not too shabby. I'm not a big fan of the colorway, but hey, looks like they got plenty. Cause look, looks like they got plenty of different ones. These tailwinds are pretty dope. We've never seen these at the outlets, and the colorway, not bad, not bad. Especially if you like gray, dude. 50% off, man. That's like similar to outlet deals, man. That's crazy. I think that's pretty much about it, you guys. I think we're gonna wrap it up. We're gonna wrap it up because not really seeing all the All-Star stuff because apparently most of the All-Star stuff is really exclusive. So yeah, let's check the next store. Last stop, you guys. Shoe Palace. Let's see. Let's hope they got something. I don't think they're gonna have much new stuff, but they'll at least have some deals. Let's see what's up. All right, I talked to the staff. I did a little research, see what's going on over here. They didn't get anything brand new today, but they will be getting the red cement tomorrow. And apparently, yeah, not totally sold out. Not totally sold out. They said the raffle, not too many did the raffle. So since they don't have any crazy steals, or they don't have any crazy releases, let's look at what sales they got, you guys. Let's look at what sales they got. Damn, this is a 140. This is a size 11, so they might have been sold out of the smaller sizes. But yeah, 140 for those, not bad. That's pretty much what they should have gone for at the beginning. You know, I feel like people would have bought those. Dude, got the Jordan 6 right here. These are going for $130. $130, not too shabby. But this looks huge. It's like a size 13 or something. Yeah, size 13. But yeah, if you can find these, man, going for $129, not bad. We saw these at the outlet for like 100. That's the cheapest we've seen these. Black Cats. I hope you guys can see this because it's so backlit. But yeah, these are pretty dope. I love my pair. Have I worn it? I don't even know if I've worn them. But yeah, speaking of, I'm wearing winter S4s. Yeah, these are hella dope. But yeah, these are dope as well. Not bad. Damn, look at this. These are going for full price, you guys, man. That's what y'all need to hit up the outlets. Y'all need to check out my vlogs too, because man, we be finding deals, man. Finding deals. What is this, you guys? I've never seen this. Look, it's kind of like a patent. The whole thing's kind of like a patent, but this part's like different. It's like some sort of fabric, like a plastic fabric. I don't know what the hell it's called. Vinyl or something? It looks like vinyl. But yeah, $90, you guys. Oh, that's hella interesting. Not too bad, $90, dude. For the lows, Jordan 1 lows, not too shabby. All right, they always got crazy deals on Air Maxes here. Y'all, I'll bet you I'll be able to find something that surprises the hell out of you guys. These are 97s, kind of interesting. I'm not a huge fan of the colorway. A little too bright, man. Way too bright. But yeah, $120. $120, so $40 off, I believe. These Air Max 90s, I think they go for what, 110 normally or something like that. But bad boys go for 70 bucks, man. $70. That's hell of a deal. Hell of a deal, you guys. Let's see what this Air Max. Oh, this go for 100. This one is normal. Is that the? Oh, the regular price seems to be 110. But yeah, so these are what, $10 off. It's all right. I do like the color. The way the color scheme is definitely dope on those. Oh, they're 270 Reacts going for 80 bucks. Pretty decent. Pretty decent. Got a couple more Air Max on sale. It's like a purple chocolatey colorway. I don't know, but yeah, 100 bucks for these. $60 off. That's pretty decent. That's pretty decent. I'm all good at those, but I'm sure plenty of people like them. It's orange and green colorway going for $120. That's $40 off. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. And look at this one, you guys. I just happened to see this. This is a size 8, so 70 bucks. 70 bucks, you guys. $90 off. That's like cheaper than the outlets. I don't think I've seen these at the outlets. But you rarely ever see Air Max 95s go for under 70 bucks. I've only seen that a couple times. Damn, that's a steal. Freaking steal, you guys. Holy crap. What do you guys think about these? The new, the Ultra Boost 20s. What do you guys think about these? Smaller. I think they MSRP for 180, but they got them on sale here because underneath you could see the 180 sign or 179.99 sign. So I think they have them cheaper here just because they don't sell as well. That's awesome, you guys. That's awesome. All right, I think that's the end, you guys. Let's wrap it up with summary and yeah. All right, so we didn't get that many brand new releases. I think we only saw one. The only one were the All-Star Weekend PG4s, and I think we've already seen those. Because I don't think they just came out this weekend, but I think that was the only thing that was brand new. We did find a bunch of deals, you know, because we're always looking for deals. So yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Definitely appreciate you guys watching. Definitely appreciate you guys making it to the end of the video. Make sure you help your boy out, press that like button. If you're new, make sure you guys go ahead, press that subscribe button. Also press that notification bell because I do drop a lot of videos. And yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys next one. Peace.